Hey, this is Nick from Central Body Company in Omaha. Today we're working on a four winds here, just in for a dewinterize. So we'll go ahead and get going on it, kind of show you how to do those. So we got our hose here already on and hooked up to the city water port. We'll go ahead and go inside and get going on it. All right, so inside the unit here, pretty much all we're going to do is we're going to go around to all the water fixtures. You're going to want to turn them on. You'll obviously get a little pink from the antifreeze coming out of storage here. And all you're looking for is once that runs clear, you know you're good to go. So you'll have a little air in there, that's normal. It's just aeration. You want to make sure to do the cold and the hot side. Hot water heater should still be bypassed at this point, so we're just getting everything out of the lines here. Move on to the bathroom here. You want to make sure you hit the toilet as well. Probably will have a little leftover in there. This is a good time to check for leaks as well in your pressurized water system. Make sure you're still good to go from last year. Nothing got broken or damaged in storage. Also want to double check if your unit or the unit you're dewinterizing has an outdoor kitchen or an outdoor shower. You'll want to make sure to hit those as well. This one does not, so everything we should have to drain here should be interior. And we have, last but not least, shower here. It's always good to come around with a paper towel after this for shower pans and sinks. That way they don't have any excess water or antifreeze in there. Alrighty, so we should be pretty good there. When I do them, I like to, if you find your low point drains, this one's under the couch. Just give it a little pop in case there's any antifreeze kind of settling down. Just do a quick open and close there. And then last but not least, you'll want to unbypass the water heater. This one has a traditional bypass. It may be a lever system. I'll let you get in there. It's up behind here. Just got the lines going to the back, so there'll be a couple valves there. You'll just want to turn those to the normal operating position. And currently the plug is out of the water heater. Alrighty, so that's the normal position. We go back outside. Should be getting water out of the drain plug here in a second. This unit is a Dometic, so it doesn't have an anode rod. Suburbans, if it does have an anode rod, it's a good time to check on that, seeing if mineral deposits have started eating that up. If it has, it's good to replace it. Otherwise, we'll get the water turned off here. We're draining out. So that should be about it for it. We'll throw the plug back in the water heater and it's ready to camp.